Hello everyone. My name is Smiling Reyes, and today I'm gonna be talking about the Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2, a new output device, virtual reality headset that completely changes the way we experience technology. Before we start, let's review a basic concept. Who remember what is an output devices? An output device. An output device is any hardware that receives data from a computer and presents it to the user. For example, a traditional example would be a monitor, a speaker, or a printer. But virtual reality is different. It doesn't just show information, it lets you enter. um, okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Smiling Reyes. And today I'm going to be talking about the Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2, a new output device. The Meta Quest 2 is a virtual reality headset that completely changes the way we experience technology. Before we start, let's review a basic concept. Who remember what is an output device? Well, it's any hardware that receives data from a computer and presents it to the user. For example, traditionally, we had monitors, speakers, or printers. Those are traditional examples. But virtual reality is different. It doesn't just show information, it lets you enter a digital world. What is a reality? What is virtual reality? Is a computer-generated environment that simulates real or imagined worlds. Let's talk about a little bit more about the Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2 was created by Meta, the company behind Facebook. Almost everyone knows about Facebook. Let's talk about its components. It has headset, controllers, sensors, and a software. The headset displays visuals and tracks head movement. The controllers allow interaction with the virtual world. Sensors track motion and position. Software creates and manages the virtual environment. Let's talk about the features. It has a high resolution, 1832 per 1920 pixels per eye. It also has a 90 hertz refresh rate. This means this means that it updates 90 times per second, avoiding blur or lag. It is wireless, so no cables. You can move as you like. It has a large app library, games, fitness, and education. And it also has hand tracking and motion controllers. This helps you interact with virtual objects naturally as if they were real. Why use it? Why use it? Unlike a traditional screens, the MetaQuest 2 gives you total immersion. You feel inside the environment. It combines vision, sound, and motion, so you don't just watch, you experience and participate. Let's talk about the benefits. Enhanced understanding. It helps us to learn more about abstract or complex topics because it becomes visual and interactive. Safe simulations. We can practice dangerous or costly activities in a safe space. It possesses global access, travel the world without leaving the classroom, inclusive learning, tolerate from different learning styles and needs, collaboration and creativity, build, design, and problem solving together. Integrations. Let's talk about some integration. Science, history, and professional use. Related to science, we can explore the human body, walk on Mars, do virtual dissections. History, we can time travel to historical events or ancient civilizations. Professional use helps doctors, engineers, and companies simulate training, therapy, and meetings in a safe and realistic way. Finally, virtual reality is not just a trend, it's transforming how we engage with knowledge. With the right tools and support, it opens up endless possibilities for education. Thank you so much for your time. Any question that you may have, please let me know in the comments.